To build your game for Android, first copy these 3 images and paste it in your project folder. This will be the game's icon shown in the device, and this will be the loading screen. Now click on Android. When you first click on Android, you'll be prompted to download our apt. If not, you can go to ren'py's download page. Scroll down and download it manually. Instructions are here on how to install it. There will also be a link over here asking you to install Java or JDK. Just click on the link, and you'll be taken to this page. Download the latest release and install it on your PC. You should also download and install Android Studio. All the links are in the description. Then click on Install SDK and create keys. You'll be asked to create a key. That key will be located under ren'py folder. Our apt. This one right here. Remember never to delete or lose this key, as you'll actually need to use the very same key you used to build your game for Android to update that same game. But you don't have to worry, since ren'py will automatically use the same key once you create it. Then click on Configure. Name it and click on Continue. Continue. In here, write your company name, the game name. Then click on Continue. Type 1.0. Continue. 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 Choose No, click on Continue. 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 Then click on Build Package. Remember to stay connected to the internet the first time you build the game for Android, as it'll download some additional files. And here they are. All the APK files. This one will work in older devices. This one in newer devices. And this one should work everywhere. Thank you, hope this helps.